it's your girl, and today we're going to do life lessons with Lovely Ray. So today, as you can see, this is my hair when I first wake up. My daughter's upstairs eating breakfast, and that's kind of the best time to do what you gotta do, is when your child is eating. So as we know, as mommies, we are very limited on time, and we are very limited on just about a lot of stuff. So when you need to be a natural like this, and you have a lot of stuff going on and your day's full or you're pretty busy, you don't have half an hour or an hour to dedicate to your hair every day. And some of the natural girls and gurus on the wonderful YouTube will give you some tutorials with some lengthy hair regimens. But we don't have time for that, mommies, now do we? So I've come to you today to show you what I'm gonna do with this nest of hair, just waking up hair, and show you how to get done with your hair in like less than 5 minutes. I know, wonderful. Now as you can see, I have a night routine, and that night routine will save you so much time in a day. Right before you go to sleep, just section off your hair and oil your scalp, oil your hair, oil your ends, put little twists in, and you're good. I have a hard brush and I have a soft brush. Always use a soft brush, and I use a big brush to cover more hair in less time. Now I'm going to unravel this messy hair and show you what I'm working with. So like I said, the hair has been moisturized, and it was yesterday I moisturized it. And to be honest, I didn't twist it last night. I twisted it yesterday, kind of had it out in yesterday and some twist. Over the night, I let it go, and yeah, I just put it in a big bun and then put a silk cap over it. I got a lot to do here. My trusty flaxseed gel, hey, and this stuff, ugh, it looks kind of gross right now, but this stuff has the consistency of snot, and this gel, it's all natural. You'll save money making it. There's plenty of ladies out there who already have the videos on how to make it. Leave a comment below if you want me to show you how I make mine, but Naptorials, so many other people make it. You're pretty good with them. So here we go. I'm gonna get some of my Oozy Goozy, and I'm going to show you how to do this hair real quick. I'm going to slather my hair up with my flaxseed gel snot. Just slather it up. Get some more, because we don't have time. We don't have time to be worried about everything. We don't have time to section off everything, to oil the scalp every single morning. We don't have time in the mornings when your child is needing breakfast, significant other needs breakfast, you need breakfast, you need this, you need that, your child needs this, child needs that. You don't have time for that. And hair can take forever. So, as you can see how fast this is going, you see this?
You see this slick? You see how slick this is? This gel,
let me tell you, this gel is wonderful. It is amazing, this gel. I don't know, if you are a natural and you are not making your flaxseed gel, you're doing something wrong.
Bruh.
Okay, it's time to do it. It's time to stop buying your Eco Styler gel. I was guilty. I still have a huge tub of it that I bought like years ago. But anyways, look at that. Look at that. Now, oh crap, where's my scrunchie? Of course we use the non-snagging kind. Look, no toothbrush needed. Did I just use the other brush like I told you not to? All right, well don't do that. Look at this slick. Look at this slick. It's that simple. Leave your curls as they are. You don't gotta do all that high ponytails. I love high ponytails. It keeps your hair out of your face, off your neck from getting snagged and frayed by clothing, getting split ends. Keep your hair as high as possible so you don't have to worry about that. Messy buns are on the rage these days. Thank goodness that messy buns are on the rage these days and that everybody loves a messy bun. And you can do a quick pinning. Hey, bobby pin, dollar store. $1 make it holla. Like I said, this is gonna be a quick, less than 5-minute hairstyle. And we can count this too. We can time this. More bobby pins. Just put a few in so your hair doesn't fly around too much and the elements get too winded out. And look at that. Look. Your edges will be laid down with this flaxseed gel, let me tell you. My hair's done. I'm ready to go out the house. I can look like this out the house. Looks good. Look at this. You see this? You see these edges? Look at this. Oh, and if you want bangs, if you want little side things, here we go. Here we go. Less than 30 seconds. That's my flaxseed gel. Curl. You want another curl?
Okay, pull this out. Flaxseed gel. Oh gosh, I'm missing one. Flaxseed gel. Look at that.
If you've got any spare time, okay. Come around to the back. Get some of your ends that might be flying away. And gel it up, pin it back up. Look at that. Look at that. This curl's gonna last me all day, y'all. This curl is gonna last me all day. Less than 5 minutes. Can't beat it. Life lessons with Lovely Ray. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you can have enough time in the morning to spare 5 minutes to do a quick brush up of the hair so you can get out of the house and not look a hot mess. Alright guys, if you like this video, please like, share, or subscribe. Hey, subscribe. And until then, I'll see you again. Hopefully in other life lessons. Take care.